How to record high quality phone audio for YouTube Shorts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can record high quality phone audio for YouTube Shorts. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. So if you want to record high quality phone audio for YouTube Shorts, you can directly open up your YouTube. After that, if you press on the bottom plus icon, you'll start recording the video. Now, what you'll need to keep in mind is that there are multiple ways you can use or you can record a high quality phone audio. Some of the ways include being in a really quiet recording environment. And also, you can use an external microphone such as a wireless mic or a completely different mic. So, yeah, first step is using an external microphone. After that, you can then record your video and then later combine it using apps such as CapCut. And the other one is optimizing your recording environment. Choose a quiet location and also reduce your echoes. Soft items like blankets and pillows can be used to dampen the sound and reduce echoes in the room. After that, minimize handling noise as well. So avoid moving the phone excessively or touching the microphone while recording. The final step is fine-tuning your phone and recording settings. So actually there is no direct microphone settings which you can change or modify on your Android or iPhone. But what you can do is use a second phone. You can use a separate phone to record just the audio. This can be especially helpful if your phone is being used for the video. You can also put the phone in airplane mode. So swipe down from the top. And right here you should find the airplane mode. Tap on it to turn it on. So this prevents interruptions from notifications and calls. And that's one thing. The other thing that you can do is make sure your mic is clean. So you can go ahead into any hardware stores and then get a microphone cleaned as well. And yeah, doing those stuff can help you record high quality phone audio for your YouTube Shorts. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.